In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your weight in the MyFitnessPal app step by step. Whether you're aiming to achieve a specific health goal, track your fitness journey, or just maintain your current weight, keeping a record in MyFitnessPal can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible. First off, you'll want to open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. It's free to download. Once the app is open, you're going to need to log in. Look for the login button on the home screen and tap on it. You'll then see fields for entering your email address and password. Go ahead and fill these in with your MyFitnessPal account details. It's important to ensure you enter the correct information so you can access all the features that the app offers. With your login details entered, go ahead and click on the login button to proceed. After logging in, you'll land on the app's dashboard. This is your home base where you can see your recent activity, check on your daily goals, and review your nutrition information. For our purpose today, you'll want to locate the Progress tab. This can usually be found at the bottom or in the menu bar, depending on your app's layout. Tap on Progress to continue. Now that you're in the Progress section, you'll see a plus sign. This might be located at the top or bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on this plus sign to begin adding your current weight. Here comes the vital part, entering your weight. You'll see an input field where you can type in your weight. Be accurate here, as precision helps track your progress effectively over time. Once you've entered your weight, there's an additional option. You can add a progress photo. This feature allows you to visually document how far you've come. It's entirely optional, but many find it a motivating way to see physical changes that might not be obvious on the scale alone. With your weight entered and any optional photos uploaded, the final step is to save your progress. To do this, simply click on the check mark. This confirms your entries and saves them to your profile, ensuring they are logged and ready for you to review at a later date. And that's it. You've successfully entered your weight into MyFitnessPal. By consistently logging your entries, you'll have a powerful tool to help interpret trends over time and adjust your habits as needed. Keep up this practice regularly to maximize its benefits. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.